Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the verification code not received problem. So let's dive in. So this is a common problem that happens when you're using an app, and when they send a verification code you may not receive it. So I am going to show you how to fix it step by step, so make sure to stick to the end of the video. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead to your settings and scroll all the way down to messages, and you can see iMessage here. You want to go ahead and switch it off for about 10 seconds and then switch it on again, and you can see here that's saying waiting for activation, and it will be activated in a few seconds. The second thing you want to do is go ahead to your blocked contacts. So you just scroll down in messages, you find blocked contacts, and you can say don't have any blocked contacts. If you have a contact that you've blocked and you think they might be the one sending the verification code, you want to go ahead and unblock them. So you just go ahead and unblock some of your contacts. And now the third thing that you can do is make sure that your screen is not, your phone is not screen recording. So you go ahead and scroll from the bottom up, and you can see my phone is screen recording at the moment. So if yours is doing that without your knowledge, you want to go ahead and switch it off. And now the final thing that you can do is just go ahead and restart your phone. So you hold on the power button, you can switch it off and switch it on again. Just go ahead and restart your phone, and once you do, hopefully your problem will be solved. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.